That little red banner at the top of the website says there are exactly 53 units left in stock, but it never changes. You could refresh that page tomorrow or next month, and it would still say 53. It is a psychological trick designed to make you panic buy before you have time to think. I spent the last few days digging into this specific chainsaw sharpener because it has been following me across every corner of the internet. The ads make it look like a total miracle. They show a person with zero experience getting a razor-sharp edge in seconds. If you have ever spent a long afternoon fighting a dull saw, you know how enticing that sounds. A dull chain does not cut. It just creates fine dust and a lot of smoke. It makes your arms ache, and it turns a simple task into a dangerous chore. The most interesting part of this whole situation is that the concept of a guided jig is not a scam. The idea of clamping a guide onto the bar to maintain a perfect angle is legitimate technology. It works because it removes the human error. Trying to sharpen a saw by hand requires a level of muscle memory that takes years to master. You have to keep the file at the exact right height and the exact right angle for every single tooth. If you are off by even a few degrees, the saw will pull to one side or stall out in the wood. This sharpener is essentially a clone of designs that have been used by professional loggers for 40 years. Established brands have been making these tools since long before social media ads existed. The problem is not the tool itself, but the wrapper it comes in. When you visit the site, you see logos for major news networks. They want you to believe they are a breakthrough brand that caught the eye of big journalists. But those articles are nowhere to be found. I checked the archives, and there is nothing there. It is a ghost story told to build trust where none has been earned. If you look closely at the hardware, it looks identical to unbranded jigs sold on massive overseas wholesale sites for a fraction of the price. You are paying a massive markup for a generic tool covered in slick marketing. The parent company has a track record that should make anyone jumpy. They have launched other products like pressure washers and doorbells that left a trail of unhappy customers. People complain about waiting months for shipping or never getting a refund when the product arrives broken. This is a classic pattern. They find a functional tool, give it a fancy name, and pump it full of fake urgency. You can get the same results by going with an established brand. Why risk your money on a company with no verifiable history when you could buy from a name that offers a real warranty? If you are an occasional firewood cutter, a guided jig is a fantastic investment. It will save your back and your sanity. But you should buy it from a company that has a real return address and a reputation to protect. The chainsaw sharpening world is full of these shiny objects. It is easy to get caught up in the hype when you are staring at a pile of wood that needs to be cut. Just remember that a real tool does not need to lie to you about how many are left in the box. True quality stands on its own without the need for fake countdown timers or fabricated endorsements. Look for the tools that the professionals actually use in the woods. Those are the ones that will still be working 10 years from now. Your chain and your wallet will thank you for it in the long run.